Assalamu alaikum guys, you're watching Ielts with Rehan. This is kind of like not my first video. I've got a couple of videos on Ielts with Rehan already posted up. But this video is very informative as far as Ielts is concerned. Mostly students get this thing wrong. When I say wrong, I mean very wrong. Introduction. Everyone knows what introduction is. Introduction is basically introducing yourself. And whether it's a writing task, whether it's a speaking task, introduction is given more preference, and it's kind of like a presentation that develops among you and the listener or the reader. We never skip introductions when it comes to writing. We say whenever we're writing an essay, writing task, we have to write a little introduction. But the thing is, according to Ielts, we don't know how introductions are meant to be. That's a criteria of learning how introductions are meant to be in Ielts. But the thing is, what I am after is when we are to speak on certain topics, we skip those introductions. I've seen many students, doesn't matter how much qualified they are, they end up starting the topics without and excluding the introduction, coming up to the main point very quickly. So introductions are a presentation of yours, whether they are in written form, whether they are in your speaking format. The only difference between a long-term speaking topic in your speaking exams and your 250 words plus writing essay of task 2 in academic Ielts is that is in writing and that is in speaking. That's it. So you can't say that that's a lengthy essay writing, I'm going to have to write an introduction, and that's a short-term speaking that I don't need an introduction. That's not a short-term speaking. It sounds really short, 2 minutes, but when you add up the words that you have spoken in that 2 minutes, they probably count more than the 250 words that you have written on the piece of paper. So a quick tip, introduction is very important, whether it's writing, whether it's speaking. It puts up a little presentation of yours among the reader or the listener. Follow my tip and get good marks.